In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Notion. Uploading images is a simple way to make your pages more visual, whether you're building a personal dashboard, documenting a project, or creating a team wiki. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simplest method of adding an image from your computer directly into a Notion page. First, open the Notion page where you want the image to appear. Click into the page as if you're about to type some text. Now, start by typing a / followed by the word image. So on your keyboard, that's /image, all together as one word. As you type, Notion's command menu will pop up and start filtering blocks that match what you're entering. You should now see an option labeled image in the drop-down. This is Notion's dedicated image block. Use your mouse or trackpad to click on that image option. As soon as you do, Notion will insert an empty image block in your page, usually with a few different choices for how you want to add the picture. Inside that new image block, you'll see a button labeled Upload File. Go ahead and click on Upload File. This tells Notion that you want to add an image stored locally on your device rather than linking to it from the web or using another source. After you click Upload File, your computer's file picker or file explorer window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. You can browse through your folders, use the search bar if you know the file name, and then select the image you want to use. Most common image formats like JPG and PNG work perfectly here. When you've highlighted the correct file, click Open or Choose depending on your operating system. Notion will then upload the image and place it directly into the page where you inserted the block. Wait a moment for the upload to finish, especially if the file is large or your internet connection is slow. Once it appears, you can hover over the image to see additional options, like resizing by dragging the handles on the sides, or moving the image block up and down the page using the drag handle on the left. And that's all there is to it. By typing the / command, selecting the image block, clicking Upload File, and following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly and reliably add images to any Notion page.